So I've been given the task of feeding the seahorses their breakfast, and I've got here a delicious mixture of tiny shrimps and plankton. And I need to put it just in the current, so just here. And this. There it goes. Breakfast is ready. These creatures are extraordinary. And this is what it's all about. It's about ensuring that life on Earth can continue. And look how vulnerable it is. So the citizens take on their government, and then a major multinational corporation, and then other companies too. So it's like a domino effect. The dominoes tumble slowly. That's just the pace of the law. But once they start to tumble, they tumble. I love it. It's so strong and it's so clear, and it's just what's needed now. So how could production systems be updated for the realities of the 21st century? I've gone to the city of Luleå in the north of Sweden, where plans are afoot to decarbonise one of the world's most heavily polluting industries. I could stand and watch this for hours. It's like a feeding frenzy down there. But it is really making me ponder everything that goes into one car. All the energy, all the technology, all the materials. Imagine if it was all green. I come to a project like this, and I have this real sense of impatience because the green transition is underway. The old system needs to move over to make way for this new, sustainable, well, I was going to say future, but it's not a future. This is actually happening now.
So when I take the first slice, it actually smells like lamb. So this is the first time you've ever tried it?
It is. I'm actually really excited.
Good luck.
Good luck. Okay.
You're going to get addicted.
It looks like meat. And it really does smell like lamb. Okay. Feels like it. That's extraordinary. Kind of
For me, it's an incredible
like
product.
lamb. Yeah, it's wonderful. I really like that. Can we have some more?
It feels very, very timeless here. And of course, over the years since Stonehenge was built, we've industrialised, we've urbanised, and we've really lost that connection to nature, which was so fundamental to our ancestors. And perhaps we all need a chance to reconnect again and to rebuild that sacred bond.
Cameron's putting so much energy into protecting the planet and bringing his congregation with him. And when you put different faiths together, well, it's another story completely, because then things really can happen. And we've seen this tonight. I feel quite exhausted by that experience and a whole jumble of emotions. Deep, deep sadness, compassion, and huge gratitude for this amazing organism that we're lucky enough to be able to call home. We've been looking at systems in this series, and the systems have to change. Now, whether we choose to leave our stamp on history as one of a glorious moment when we learn from our mistakes, we sort out the systems that are so destructive, or whether this is a story of us buying, extracting, plundering our way into destruction, I don't know. But it's up to all of us to put as much pressure as we can on those systems so that they work for our planet, they work for our only home. Because otherwise we won't have one. It's as simple as that.